Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually run your dstv installation wizard on dstv Zapper pbtecknology. So after you turn on your dstv decoder for the first time, this will be the first page that will appear on your TV screen. So to actually proceed and then scan to get your channels and activate it to enjoy the channel, all you need to know is that without having a stable signal from the satellite dish, you can't actually proceed to scan. So the first thing that you should do is to get a stable signal from the satellite dish before even proceeding with a setup on the dstv decoder. So on the first page you have language option right here. You have the Portuguese and then English. You're gonna go with English option or the English language. So you press OK to actually proceed. Alright, so on the second page you have the select. So the select is going to be a different option. So you have to select the Pbteck. Okay, you change it to the Pbteck and you come OK, come down, or you press OK to proceed. Alright, press OK to proceed. So on this page you have quick setup and manual setup. You come down to the manual setup and you press OK to proceed. Alright, so on this page you have the LNB type. The LNB type, since the Zapper HD decoder normally it comes along with a universal LNB, and you have to select the universal LNB, but in case they install it with a mini cable LNB, you need to change it to the mini cable TNSI, or maybe they install it with a dstv smart LNB and they use the mini cable ports, but the smart LNB have universal and mini cable ports. So if they use the mini cable ports, you need to change it to the mini cable TN and you proceed. So you come down here to the scan option and you're gonna find out that there is some signal indicator on the right side of the page, which actually shows that you are having a signal from the satellite. So as you can see, you have some blue tips over there. If there is no signal, that blue tips won't be there. So if you reach this level and there is no blue tip, you can change the LNB type to the mini cable and then check whether with that option, with the mini cable option, you're gonna get some blue tip over there. If there is no blue tip, you need to change it to the universal and then get a signal from the satellite dish, a stable one, before you can proceed. Maybe the fault might be from the signal cable, so you need to connect it more before you can get your signal to proceed. So after reaching this level, what you got to do is to press OK on the scan option to proceed and scan to get the channels. Okay. So you select the universal and you come here, press OK to scan. So after scanning, if it happens to be that it's a new decoder and it needs activation, they have not activated it, all you got to do is to call the dstv office and you pick the IUC number or the smart card number of the decoder. You're gonna find it at the back of the decoder. They used to place some stickers there that have the IUC number or the smart card number. Or you can just go straight to the menu, look for help, general information. You're gonna find the IUC number over there. So you call the dstv office and you provide them with the IUC number and then you do the activation right there for you to enjoy your channel. So if you find yourself to be new here, all you got to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and then you come back home. Thanks for watching.